Alright, hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. A few months ago I unboxed my first quarterly box and in it I said the following. Next time I'm gonna do an on-camera unboxing. Alright, so as promised, here is my second box. This one has not been opened. So let's go ahead and open it together, shall we? So from what I've been reading, this is the cosplay box. So let's have a look at it. Alright. So like the last time, we are getting an intro thing with a little puzzle. Next we've got a packet of materials. Let's put that aside for now and we're going to get back to that. And then, okay, brushes, lots and lots of brushes. Excellent. And ooh, Mod Podge. So this is something I've only heard about. I've never actually used it. Mod Podge is used a lot by the maker community from what I'm hearing, and I'm looking forward to playing around with it myself. And haha, Barge contact cement in a very nice squeezy bottle. And these are foam parts, foam and acrylic parts it looks like. And then some foam tubing. Ooh, paints. So these are leather paints. I don't know if that's foreshadowing what we're about to see. More foam. And another knife, this time a smaller breakaway blade style knife, and more foam. Now let's try to get the packing material out of it first. And more foam pieces. These look like foam. And again, they're laser cut. Well, they look like they're laser cut anyway. Good high quality Ziploc bags. Heavy duty. Loving that. Yeah, this looks like it's been laser cut. And they've been laser cut, and then they've also branded into them. So this is L and then sides E, E, and G. And I'm sure we're gonna find out what that's all about. Alright, though I didn't open it up before starting the camera, I have read the instructions, and they specifically say EVA foam helmet instructions. So I already know that it's a helmet that we're gonna make. So last time the theme was cardboard and crafting and making with cardboard. This time around the theme is cosplay, and the material of choice this time is foam. So you know, this is just just, you know, regular old foam, and there's a lot of PVA foam and stuff like that. All right, let's get all these components packed back into the box. And let's have a look at the materials pack. And again, it's in this nice almost see-through paper. All right, let's see. Ooh, Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys right in because this is cool. This is an inspiration booklet. So this is Adam Savage's bear costume, the bear from I can't remember what the movie's called. I'm going to put that right here after I look it up. The movie with Leonardo DiCaprio. Let's see. All right, so I'm guessing that all of what we're seeing are cosplays that Adam Savage has done. Right, that's Adam with Alton Brown. That's him in a Judge costume from Judge Dredd. Rocket Man. Wow. And again, Judge Savage. Han Solo. Wow, this is cool. This is just, you know, showing the level to which Adam has taken his obsession with cosplay. And then a letter. And then there is instructions for how to assemble the helmet. And interesting. So unlike the last time where there was a very set pattern, this time it's closer to, you know, here are a bunch of parts and this is one thing that you can do with it, basically. And then instructions on, you know, various ways in which you can fit the helmet together, depending on what result you're looking for. This will take some thinking about, I think. Well, then a painting guide. Interesting. So this is pretty cool. Scratch that. This is really cool. Again, I'm completely fanboying out. This is brilliant. Like last time, I think we've got a lot of useful stuff and a lot of... Actually, I think the written material, again, is one of the really strong points here. And this booklet is just gorgeous. Ooh, I hadn't even seen that photo on the back. That is really cool. Now, it might not have escaped notice that last time I said this. That is the first Adam Savage quarterly maker box. And I can't wait to get started. Now, if you noticed that and have been waiting for my build video, well, the truth is, I boxed it back up and left it. If you've followed my other videos, then you'll know that I'm in my last year of a bachelor degree, and I really just haven't had the time. So hopefully I am going to be able to dedicate some more time to it once I finish the degree, but before that I'm not going to make any promises whatsoever. Alright guys, that is it. I'm really looking forward to this one. Truth be told, I will probably not even start building this until August at the earliest, just because I know how busy the next few months are going to get. So when I do build, I will make sure to make a build video. Lots of time lapses, some, you know, neat little background music, and some spoken word thoughts on top of all of that. That's it. Until the next time.